Hello everyone, I'm Tejashree. I'm here to share some of the assignments on JavaScript. So let's get started with the functions assignment. The functionality of these functions are same just as the remaining languages. So here I'm going to take a function which is going to sort a string webmaster. So we have an inbuilt function sort. So using that I am sorting this webmaster and I am returning it. After returning it to the function, I am printing it on the console. So let's see the answer. To do this, node space function assignment.js. If you could see, the answer is the string after sorting is this one. So let's get into another assignment of modules. Here I'm going to discuss on chat module. Chat module is going to highlight our lines and backgrounds. So we are going to use the extension chat, and it is used to print the line in different colors using a dot of whatever the color you want, or it can change the background color also. So for that you need to use bg color, and you can also bold the line and you can also underline the line. You can also use these in combinations. So for the output, node space assignment.js. It is a blue line, it is of the background, it is of the bold and underline, it is of the combination. So let's jump into another assignment of objects. For this I created a here I am about to create an object my penguin, which have the attributes of name, origin, living area, and it can also take an attribute as a function. So I'm giving some of the functions as an attribute, and I'm returning the values. So all these are the common stuff, and one thing is that to attain the value of the attribute I'm using this dot name, this keyword, and later I am changing the attributes values to some of these, and I'm printing those. And also to just print what are the properties or the attributes of that object my penguin, I'm running a for loop. In that I'm just printing the properties of that my penguin object. Also to print the values of the attributes of the my penguin, I do my penguin within a brace, I give the property. So if you could see the output, node object assignment the JS, and these are of the functions, and these are the properties, and these are the values. As we passed some of the functions as an arguments, we get the values as like this. And let's go to some other exercise on callback functions. Callback functions are the special functions in JavaScript in which a function is passed as an argument to another function, and it can be called within that function. So here func1 is a callback function I am writing, and these are the attributes I am calling that one within this validate user. After that I am passing the arguments to the validate user. If these are matching, then I will print user details are valid, else these are not valid. Let's see the output. Node callback assignment.js. As you could see, I gave the values same as the H1399, so I got user details are valid. So these are the exercises on JavaScript. Also we will see the some of the commands of the Git. So for that I use command prompt. I use the folder cd learn git. Again, this is a folder which I have created, and now you can initialize it using git init. As I have already initialized it, it got reinitialized. And here within this learn git again, where is this learn git again, I created two text documents, third and fourth, and now you are going to push these documents into the remote repository, that is the GitHub. And to push those, you're going to use a command git push, and the URL you are going to specify. My URL is this one, -- all. Now everything is up to date because I have already pushed these. So let's go into our GitHub account repository, and this is my repository, my Node.js. And if you could see, I got these third and fourth text documents which I created there to this. And next, to see the status, you can type git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean, as there are no uncommitted files or anything. And you could also see git log, that is a log register of this git. I have made a commit and author, and it has been done. And I have done third dot text, it is also done. Next, now you can just like push, you can also pull the repository from the remote to the local machine by using the command. For this you have to create another empty folder. So I have created an empty folder named git demo. Oh, what is the name of this folder? Git demo. Git demo, and you could pull this using pull of the same URL. Already up to date because I have already pulled those. Now if you go and see in your folder of git demo, you can get those documents third and fourth which are already there in the remote repository. Yes, this is my demonstration on Git. Thank you.